Another one of our life safety products at National Custom Hall Metal is our windstorm hurricane listing. Our doors and frames are listed in the Florida Building Code, which covers in Florida every county except for Miami-Dade. And we also have a listing in Texas under the TDI listings. Our doors and frames for singles are 3070 single up to a 14-inch jam depth, and a 6070 pair up to a 14-inch jam depth. These products will protect you and your family through hurricane force winds, protecting yourself behind closed doors. They will also protect you from 150 mile per hour wind speed.